Good news, guys. I've found an image to video platform that uses Sedans 2.0, Grok AI, Happy Horse, and other top models, including One AI. And not just that, they offer us the platform free credit, 500 credits. And the good thing is that I was able to use this platform as at the time I'm making this video. I have to put this video out immediately so that you'll be the first to start using it before it gets saturated. Every of this platform, they update their services, they update their platform every single time. So what it was before is not what it is now. Things have changed. So for us to start, okay, you need to go to the studio and then let's start working. All right, now enter studio. So I'm going to go ahead and select my email to sign in. Okay, awesome. So once you select your email and this comes up like this, you can skip this, right, so that it can load you up to the interface. Beautiful. So guys, the moment you sign into this platform, you are given 500 free credits. This is incredibly insane, guys. I mean, now that it's still very hot, please jump on this platform. Let me show you how you can navigate around so that you don't waste your credit. So that let's go ahead and see the model on this platform. Click on that model garden. Once you click this model garden, you're going to see featured models. Okay, so they have 157 high quality model across image, video, and audio and 3D. So you choose the best for your next project. Okay, so let's take a look at it and be sure that it is true. All right, so you can see this. We have GPT image for image to image, right? Text to video, text to audio, text to image, and we also have Happy Horse, text to video. Now let's go ahead and see this. Okay, I know I actually love sedans, and I know that you also love sedans too. So let's click that sedans. Once you click that, sedans v reference to video is going to cost us 195 credits. You can see this, right? And then this is absolutely amazing, and we have 500 credits. Oh, before we start generating, let's take a look at other models, how much it costs to generate on this platform. So we've seen sedans. Let's look at now this. We have image to video, right? And we have text to video, we have text to image, and we have text to video. Let's look at this text to video. Once you click on that text to video, you see all the models are available here, and we have Gemini Omni. That one uses 185 credits. Take your time and explore this platform, right? You see lesser credits such as this, right? Audio to video, image quality to video. So here is 100 credits where you can generate high quality convert image to video. You can see this, right? So if we want to, now Grok Imagine is here, and Grok Imagine has Grok Imagine the 1.5 image to video has over 375 credits, and 2.7 vid image to video has 200 free credits. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful, guys. This first, so let's see how much credit this is going to cost us. This is going to cost us 156 credits. So image to video, this is incredibly insane, guys. So we are going to generate one for us to see the result on this platform, and we'll be using the sedans 2.0 so you can explore other models. Okay, all right, so you'll be looking for image to video platform. Here is another platform. So if you go down, you're going to see where you are going to bring up your image. Okay, upload your image here. For us, we are going to upload this and implement this. Let's see. So if you have the start image frame and the end frame, this is optional actually, but you can have here if for those of you who want to use image to video. So let's go ahead and generate our image from with ChatGPT. So I already have my video prompt, so I want to get image generation. Okay, now ChatGPT will generate the image for us. All right, so I've generated my image, so let's go ahead and try our image here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and upload my image. Okay, then once that is done, all right, you're going to go ahead and paste your prompt. Awesome. So once that prompt is done, come down, you're going to see aspect ratio. You have to select your aspect ratio, and this see just leave it at 0, right? Then start image, your image is there, duration. Now this is for 5 seconds video. Now if you reduce this to 480p, you see your credit is going to reduce to 70 credits. you can see, and then with that you can literally increase your duration to like 6 seconds, and it will increase to 86, and you can increase your duration to 8 seconds, and it will increase to 100. So let's see what this 8 seconds is going to look like on this platform. So now with this you can go down, and every other thing is in order, right? And then if I'm cool with everything, I'll just go ahead and hit generate. Now once you hit generate, it will start cooking. It's cooking up your results here. All right, it's connected, and I mean everything will just start working automatically. Now if you are in the country that this is not available, you can literally use a VPN, right? An urban VPN proxy, right? Use that particular VPN, set it to India. Yes, that is where this platform can work for you. If you try to use it and it's not working in your country, you use a VPN. Let's wait and see the output on this platform. Now your video is going to take a while to generate, right? And now the result is here. So you need to be patient and wait for the platform to analyze everything. Now let's take a look at this full screen. I love it. 8 seconds, just as required. Let me unmute this sound. Sorry.
You're still doing it manually, while AI is building empires. This is the new creator era.
This is beautiful, amazing, the perfect lip sync. Everything came out just as I wanted. Okay, so if you're cool with this, you can go ahead and click here to download this. Now this is going to be downloaded without the watermark. And now if you take a look at this, they have not deducted my 500 credit. My 500 credit is still here. I don't know, is that a bonus for me? I don't know, but the video is downloaded. So what this means is that while this is still available right now and is still generating, right, for free and without spending credit, because as it stands now, I am not using any credit to generate this. It costs 111 and my 500 credit is still here. All right, so let's go ahead and try, right? Click that place to go back, and then it's going to bring you up to where you have your models again. You can literally create your images on this platform, right, with 22 credit. This one, Nano Banana Light, is 15 credits, and others are 22 credits, and then this one is 80 credits. Guys, I have to quickly put this out here for you. So anyone you want to try text to video, you go ahead, select the model, right? Pick the one, just click on any one, and then paste your prompt, and boom, your video is ready. I was able to create my videos without even using the platform credit. That is absolutely zero credit. Guys, I have to turn my camera, put this out. So if you are forced to see this video, then you are going to create using this platform. Please drop in the comment section, because it is still new and you are the first to know about it. So like the video, subscribe. If you've watched it this time, let me know what you think about this platform in the comment section of this video. Were you able to use it? At what time did you get to see this video? Let me also know. Remember, the time I make this video, it's absolutely free. So if you found this video later on and it's no more free, then you have to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upload when platforms are new. Guys, see you in the next one.